Ever wonder what it really takes to fly an FPV drone? I had it rough, really rough. If you're on the same path, stick around. Let's learn and build our FPV skills together.